The National Weather Service confirmed that last Wednesday's widespread wind damage from New York to New England was officially classified as a derecho. If wind damage extends for more than 250 miles with wind gusts of at least 58 miles per hour along most of its length and also includes several well-separated 75 mile per hour or greater gusts, then the event may be classified as a derecho. Winds gusted as high as 88 miles per hour here in western Massachusetts and nearly 100 mile per hour wind gusts in the Albany area. Damage stretched roughly 320 miles last Wednesday from New York to New England. The last derecho to impact Massachusetts was on August 2nd, 2006. But derechos happen on average once every 4 years for most of Massachusetts, but once every 2 years in the Berkshires, so we were overdue. I'm 20 News Storm Team Meteorologist Nick Bannon.